When addressing the check ESC warning in Kia vehicles, the first step is always a comprehensive diagnostic scan of all vehicle modules to identify trouble codes. Based on industry data, there are three primary repair solutions. Wheel speed sensor replacement accounts for 40% of cases, steering angle sensor calibration for 25%, and ABS control module replacement for 20%. The wheel speed sensor, shown here, monitors wheel rotation through a reluctor ring. When this sensor fails or its wiring becomes damaged, it triggers the check ESC warning. The steering angle sensor, part of the electronic steering system shown here, requires precise calibration after any ESC-related repairs to ensure proper system operation. Prevention is key to avoiding ESC issues. Regular brake system inspections, proper wheel bearing maintenance, and protecting sensor wiring during other repairs can prevent most problems. A real-world example occurred with 2019 to 2022 Kia Fortes, where faulty wheel speed sensor wiring harnesses caused widespread check ESC warnings. Kia addressed this with a technical service bulletin and recall campaign affecting 147,000 vehicles. Remember, proper calibration after repairs is essential, and keeping ESC module software updated prevents many issues. Always follow manufacturer procedures for the best results.